My name is Robert Palacio with Palacio Media Fresno. In this video, we're going to show how you can add a blurry background video to your vertical video. I have a video I'm going to go ahead and create. So I have a sequence down here. We're going to go ahead and go to sequence settings. I'm going to go ahead and alter the very first settings that there is. I'm going to go down to HDV 1080, and so what that's going to do is it's going to alter the video so that it's going to be formatted for YouTube or just any horizontal video. So here I'm going to go and press click and option on the MacBook, and I'm going to click up and drag and make a duplicate of my video. So there's now two videos here. The very bottom video I'm going to click on, it's going to have effect controls, and I'm going to bump it up to 180. I'm going to go to effects, video effects, blur and sharpen, and there's this one called Gaussian blur, and I'm going to click and drag it over to my very first video. I'm going to go to blurriness, click it up to 50. Let's see here, maybe 25. And so now you have a video with the background that's blurry and complements your vertical video very well. So now that I like where my video is, I'm going to go ahead and click to the very beginning of the video, press I, go to the very bottom of the video and press O. I'm going to go ahead and press export. I'm going to keep pretty much all the settings just how they are, and I'm going to go ahead and export it. Since it's a pretty short video, it's going to export pretty quickly. I'm going to go over to the Adobe file, go to Premiere Pro, and now I can view this video, see how it came out. And just exactly how we like it. Thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.